I'm Cathal Quinn. I'm head of voice at the Lir, so I teach the first years and the second years voice 3 times a week. I also support the third years for their shows, and I work with the foundation. So I work with the foundation on Shakespeare. And I normally, I'm not sure to do it this year or not, but I'm going to be doing a week of Shakespeare scenes with them as well. Well, they all come in with talent, but they have to have technique. So you're giving them a technique, something to strap on, to own, and that any text that comes their way, be it television, film, theatre, whatever, they can do it, and they can do it to the best of their ability, and they can do it quicker. So Lenny Abramson talks about, he loves seeing Lir students come in because they're so professional. They seem very relaxed when they're chatting to them, and they really know they've done their homework, and they take that work very seriously. When they read it, they read it very genuinely. So he's often casting them because he realizes they've had a good grounding in technique when they've been here. I think it's the generosity of all the other teachers around. I love going into the staff room, we can chat about a student, and we all care about that student. I mean, from our different perspectives, the staff meetings are the same. We're talking about how much we care, and how much we can do, and how much we have in common that they're not meeting that particular goal or whatever at that point. It's fascinating because from the movement perspective, from the acting perspective, from the voice perspective, there's still some sort of block in them that we can then, each of us, work through our own way of trying to ease it. Or Alexander is, for instance, there might be something in their body that they're stuck. So I love doing that, I love discussing. It's always in a very positive way about what can we do to help them grow.